Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a wig install, and this wig here is from Shein. It's a 13x4 highlighted wig, you guys, and it's so super cute. And I already customized this hair. I put my hair in a ponytail, and we're just gonna slip on the wig now to see how it fits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay to the end of this video. So if you want to slay your hair, keep watching this video, period. So we're going to keep pushing. We're going to push this hair back a little bit, and we're going to clip the hair back so the hair won't get into the glue, you guys, because that Eben's clear glaze glue is powerful, okay? So we're going to use these clippy things, and we're just going to clip the hair back. And yes, I'm not putting on no wig cap or anything like that, because when I put on the wig cap, sometimes it just like, I don't know, it just be sliding back. So I don't put it on. And this is the glue that we're using. This is the lace glue from Eben. I hope I'm saying that right. And we're just going to put this on the perimeters of our hairline. And it's, as you can see, clear glue, because the white glue, I don't know, the white glue don't work for me. And if it don't work for you too, you should use this glue, okay? That is a tip for you guys. Use clear glue if the white glue don't work. Okay, so now I'm just going to take one of my makeup brushes and lay this out on, you know, the perimeters of my hair. I don't really put it in my baby hairs because, girl, we not trying to lose all our edges now. We not trying to do that. Okay, so we just gonna put that on the perimeter of our hair, and we're gonna slap that wig on. Okay, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Okay, because I am very inconsistent lately, and I don't know if it's depression. I don't know what it is, y'all, but we gonna have to talk about it in a makeup tutorial, because I wanna cry. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, it's really giving I wanna cry. But we're gonna fan that out, let that dry for 2 seconds, and now we're gonna put the wig on properly. Now this is a reinstall, you know, so you want to really adjust the wig for, you know, the parts in the middle, because you don't want it lopsided, sis. We don't want you walking around like that. So if it's best, you need to pull it up as you know, as the best you can. Pull the wig up. You don't want it back too much, because then it's gonna be all the way back, and it's gonna be off, y'all. So make sure you pull the wig to your hairline and above a little bit your hairline. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm giving y'all all the tea. Then you want to kind of press it down with your fingers and really submerge the lace into that glue. You want to really get it in that glue and get it stuck before you know, lace it down, girl. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. I got 3 other videos coming, and I'm gonna be editing them back to back, y'all. No joke. I know I keep playing, and it's no time to keep playing right now. And I want to be over here, you know. No, I got 3 other videos ready and about to be uploaded. So let's get into it. Okay, I feel like I need a therapist, but y'all gonna be my therapist, right? Do that make sense? I'm gonna talk to y'all. I don't need no therapist. Why pay for a therapist when I got y'all? You know, my journal. But like I said, I don't know. I'm crazy, y'all. So we just gonna stick that down. We stick that down already, right? Yeah. Okay. And then we gonna put the bandana on. I mean the the little strappy thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Strap that on because it's kind of still lifting. And when I sweat, the wig really be coming up. Like this ring light, when I do my makeup or my hair under the ring light, bro, I be sweating, like sweating bullets, y'all. And that's why my lace and my makeup just be just hot. You know what I'm saying? And mind you, it's cold outside. It's cold in New York. It's cold. Why is my lace be lifting? Now look at this baby, y'all. This is what I wanted to show y'all. This is the reason. His little one braid. I know you see that one braid. He won't even let me do the rest. He let me do one braid, and then he looked at me and was like, no. So when you pull up the lace after taking it down and you see some parts that need to be added some more glue, you add that glue, girl, because it's not going to stick, okay? So it's not going to stick. It's just not going to stick. Make sure you re-add the glue if needed. If it's all laid, you good, girl. You did that. You feel what I'm saying? But me, I was all distracted. You see the baby came in, like it's always something. I just need to find a way to do this with my 2 children. You know what I'm saying? Life is difficult for me, you guys. And I really appreciate you guys if you stayed it to the end and watched this completed video, because we're almost done. You know what I'm saying? And look at that. We got to push the lace into the hairline. I feel like this color really wasn't working for me. Like this color is definitely not one of my colors. I don't know why. Comment below if you know why, but it's really definitely not giving one of my colors. But black looks so much better on me than brown and any color like that. I should have got it like brown, black and brown. That would have been better than this just brown, you know? Because it looks just like a dirty brown and it's not matching with my skin tone. But anyways, I tried. It was cute. You know, we're trying color this year. We're trying to be spontaneous, okay? That's what we're giving. So we're gonna strap that on, and I'm gonna come back with the finishing results in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, so pretty. Still lifting, but it's cute. It's because of the ring light and it was hot, but it's cute.